Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing for Life 93. And today we're back out on the ice. We're going to be trying live bait versus artificial bait lures and see what catches the fish today. We do have some perch on us right now. We're jigging with the clacker, live minnow on the other rod. So let's see what catches the most fish today. So stay tuned, and thank you guys again for sticking around and watching these videos. Cheers. Oh, I just missed him. Aquaview just got clear. We just turned the light off down on the Aquaview. Pretty windy out right now, so I'm not sure how long we'll be staying out for today. Winds are looking to be up to the 40 with the gust, so don't want to be out for too long. We do have a live minnow down on that rod. We're going to try live bait versus artificial. We got the clacker down on this rod to jig. And let's see if we can't get any fish. We're already seeing perch. We had a couple bluegill swim by. Just was getting stuff finished setting everything up, and now we're ready to fish. There's one on the artificial. Oh, you're wrapped around the Aquaview. Well, artificial is 1. Live minnow 0. Nothing big, but first fish of the day. Back in you go, buddy. Let's see if we can't get any more. I was just dropping it down. Oh, and big perch just came and smacked it. Okay. Okay. Not gonna complain. That's right on the drop. I was just trying to find it on the Aquaview, and this beautiful perch came right in. That's 2 on the artificial. Back down you go, buddy. There you go. Alright, so means my Aquaview should be in the right spot now. Let's clear some of the slush out the hole. Alright. See if we can't catch any more. I seen that perch on the Aquaview, but I couldn't find my lure. But I think he clapped it on the way down. It's 2 fish. Alright. Just found my lure, and we got a nice one right. Gotcha! Wow. Oh yeah. What a good day. Today would have been a good day for a catch and cook, that's for sure. It's okay, but it's okay. You're going right back in. You're going right back in. Absolutely inhaled the impulse. Biggest one of the day so far. Nice, beautiful looking perch. Let's get it back down there. That's 3 fish on the artificial. Still nothing on the live minnow. You kidding me? Are you kidding me? No way. It just got to the bottom. Oh. Wow. Another big slab. Yeah, I think this is the biggest one out today. Well, that's 4 on the artificial lure. 4th one of the day on the artificial. Still nothing on the live minnow. Let's get her back in. Got a lot more on the screen. Heck yeah. Back in you go, buddy. Thank you. Alright, so that's already 4 fish on the chartreuse bloodworm is what we're running it on. And this thing just literally hit the bottom and this fish came flying right in. Can't complain. Alright, let's drop back down there and see if we can't get our 5th of the day. Some nice looking perch. So far nothing on that live minnow. But the second this impulse hits that bottom, these fish come flying right in. It's crazy. Alright, we are on the bottom. Gotcha. Oh, 5th fish on that impulse with a matter of minutes. Get you back in. Let's get some more on the board. Thank you, buddy. Oh, you look nice. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, eat it, eat it. Gotcha. Had to play around a few of the small ones to get this big guy to come through. Fish, I think number 8 on that impulse. I was keeping perch. These would be perfect size keepers. Back in you go, buddy. Go get bigger. Thank you. This fish came flying right in. Oh, wow, eh? Okay. Didn't even see him coming out in the aqua view. So we put the clacker on with a minnow head since we weren't catching any minnows. Anything was hitting a live bait. So another nice beautiful perch. Still got the minnow head. Let's get back down there and just catch some more fish before this wind really picks up and pack up and head out. Where did that fish come from? Oh, ooh, this one's huge. Eat it, eat it, eat it. Come on, baby. Come on, eat it. You're right on it. Got him. This one looked really nice. Oh, oh, oh! Biggest perch of the year! Biggest perch of the year! Oh my gosh, guys! We're turning on this camera. No, no. Look at the size of this perch. Nice belly on her. Nice and healthy. Beautiful. Put your fins out, girl. Put your fins out. Beautiful. Beautiful. Looking perch. We're gonna eat the clacker with a minnow head. What a beautiful, beautiful fish. Alright, back in you go, girl. Thank you. What an absolute toad. Wow. I seen it coming on the Aquaview, and I wasn't too sure. Like, size-wise, it looked a lot bigger than what the other ones were, and it came in and just ate that golden red clacker with a minnow head. What a great day so far. What a great day. We're going to put a minnow head back on, and we're going to start jigging, and hopefully we can get some more monsters like that. Hell yeah. Alright guys, just finished packing up. Those winds have really started to pick up really bad. We were able to get a good solid 4, maybe 4.5 hours on the ice today. But all in all, it was an epic day. We caught some of our biggest perch of the season. And it might be our last trip of the season due to the warm weather that's coming through for the next couple weeks. So if that's the case, thank you guys again for watching the videos over the winter and sticking around for the journey and the adventures. So hopefully guys stick around, and see you guys on the next adventure. Cheers.